everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is My Bharat to launch Phase 2 of Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect in Delhi from 9th March to 2026. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, through Mera Yuv Bharat, will launch Phase 2 of the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect program in Delhi starting from 9th March 2026. The initiative aims to strengthen youth engagement with the national vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Building upon the overwhelming response received during the first phase conducted in 2025, the program will significantly expand its outreach in Delhi this year, which will cover 35 plus colleges across the national capital, reaching a much larger youth audience and creating deeper institutional engagement. The initiative has already gained strong momentum across the country, reflecting the spirit of Yuva Shakti and the growing enthusiasm of young citizens to actively participate in nation building. So far, the program has covered 274 universities and colleges across 22 states and union territories, where 274 youth icons have interacted with students and mobilized nearly 20,000 youth. Building on this momentum, the expanded Delhi phase is expected to see over 10,000 students participate in interactive sessions, dialogues, and engagement activities designed to connect young citizens with India's development journey and encourage their participation as responsible nation builders. The program will be organized in collaboration with leading institutions across Delhi. Selected colleges include Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, IIIT Delhi, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Okhla, Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology, along with several other prominent institutions in the city. The sessions will be led by youth icons including Viksit Bharat, young leaders dialogue presenters, winners of the Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament, and youth who have excelled in various national youth initiatives. These youth leaders will interact directly with students, sharing their experiences and encouraging the Amrit PD to actively participate in the journey of nation building. Through engaging presentations and Yuva Samvad sessions, students will have the opportunity to share their ideas, aspirations, and perspectives on building an Atmanirbhar and Viksit Bharat by 2047. The program aims to create a platform where youth voices contribute meaningfully to national development through the spirit of Jan Bhagidari. Alongside these engagements, My Bharat registration and awareness stalls will be set up at the participating institutions to encourage youth to join the My Bharat platform to take part in volunteer driven initiatives contributing to nation building. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.